Hello guys! Do you think Koreans are familiar with vegetarians or people from Islamic culture? I don't think so. And that's exactly the reason I'm also curious about them. And so here comes the story. For me, it was the first time to meet Pakistanis. We met through a program by an international cooperation institution here in Suwon, and we spent a night together in my house. How do you expect it was like? Here we go! Yes, this is the orientation place for the program and where I met my guests. And we moved to my place, which is the greatest sunset spot. Do you love this? Yes, I do love my balcony. At this moment, the main chefs for dinner tonight is in the kitchen and they are super busy now. Yes, I know, I am a terrible host. The program wasn't supposed to get treated by the guests. But if you give me a chance to excuse, honestly, I was so happy when they said they wanted to make a potato spinach based curry for my family because I am a huge fan of curry and also the spinach one is my favorite. They are so expensive in Korea and I never tried it in an original way. Let's say the offer was so charming that I couldn't refuse. Am I a mean host? Yes, I am, and I'd love to.
After meal, maybe latte.
Latte? Uh-huh.
Maybe
As much as you want.
yes.
How many? How many lattes do you want?
Maybe two is enough.
As you see, the tough process of curry making makes the main chef tired. It is my turn to make an offer nice latte for them, but it will be after the dinner. And here, the curry making is going on. When they noticed I was filming, they even introduced themselves to you guys. So, they are...
Hi. Excuse me, guys. Can you say hello?
Hello. Wasim
Thank you.
from Pakistan.
Thank
We
you.
are currently here in Jenny's and Mary's husband's house for one day stay here. We enjoy and hopefully we enjoy it a lot.
Hello, Muhammad Sal from Pakistan, and I am a PhD student in Sanju Kwande, and I am enjoying in Jenny's house now.
Thank you for introducing.
Yeah, the intelligent PhD doctor students are cooking in my kitchen, and so I feel so honored. Though I'm pretty sure that they are not really qualified in cooking. Still, I am expecting how they feel like. Now, everything is set up. Especially my stomach is really ready to drink them all. Do they look good? And the chef is presenting how the local people enjoy the food. The curry tasted really great, so delicious. It should be known to more of Koreans so that we can love it as it deserves. It is a masterpiece. And after that, we played a game and also went to work. What's inside, the day we spent together was a gift for my family. And you two were one of the greatest guests I've ever taken. And you guys are the two who told me that Koreans and Muslims can be close friends. Now, who would love to come in my house and cook? Bye!